Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to the English class Ahfaz Educational. In the previous session, we have studied about 4-letter words. Now today we are going to learn 5-letter words. The words having 5 letters called 5-letter words. Now look, listen very carefully and repeat with me. गौर से देखिए, सुनिए और मेरे साथ दोहराइए. TEACH teach. CLEAN clean. CLEAR clear. BLEED bleed. SPEAK speak. CREEK creek. QUEEN queen. SPEED speed. DRIVE drive. ALIVE alive. STYLE style. SPICE spice. SMILE smile. PRIZE prize. CRIME crime. BRIDE bride. KITES kites. SLIDE slide. MINES mines. WINES wines. SPINE spine. FLUSH flush. BREAD braid. BRAVE brave. ABOUT about. ALONE alone. AFTER after. BOOST boost. BOOTH booth. BUILD build. BUILT built. CATCH catch. MATCH match. BROWN brown. CROWN crown. CHECK check. CHEST chest. COULD could. WOULD wood. MIGHT might. SIGHT sight. LIGHT light. COURT court. DREAM dream. COACH coach. COAST coast. CHILD child. GUIDE guide. CRAFT craft. DRAFT draft. HOUSE house. MOUSE mouse. ISSUE issue. INPUT input. LAUGH laugh. ROUGH rough. MIXED mixed. FIXED fixed. MODEL model. NOVEL novel. PLACE place. Plane, plane. Theme, theme. These, these. Those, those. Shows, shows. Write, right. Wives, wives. World, world. Yield, yield. Field, field. Volve, volve. Solve, solve. White, white. While. Union, union. Unity. प्यारे बच्चों, आप इन 5 लेटर वर्ड्स को अपनी कॉपी में लिखकर सही प्रोनाउंसिएशन के साथ याद कीजिए। फिर मिलेंगे नेक्स्ट वीडियो में। थैंक यू।